Good morning, ninth standard. First of all, I just want to say welcome to you that after summer vacations we meet, and so we have covered up before summer vacation many topics in chapter 1. That is, chapter 1 is matter in our surroundings. Okay, beta. So today, because you are come after 13 or a 14 days gap, so we are just here to revise the topic whatever you have covered up till now, and that's why I just want to revise the topics from your NCERT book. So first of all of you are supposed to open your NCERT book, chapter number 1, that is matter in our surrounding. So as we can see here, the first one thing, beta, it's just a recap, so I'm not going to cover up all the topics here. The main one topics I'm just going to recover, and expecting from you that all of you should also do the same one thing today, and from tomorrow onward we will take the new one topic. Okay, so matter in our surrounding. If I ask from you that why there is need to study this topic, so obviously all of you say, ma'am, because it is present everywhere and there is need to first of all define the matter. So matter is anything which matter is anything which is we can say which occupy space and has mass. Okay, bache? So in this one, that we can see here that the physical nature of matter, and so under that there are the few characteristics of matter. That is, first one, that matter is made up of particles, है ना? किसका बना हुआ है ये? Particles का बना हुआ है. So first a property of matter, that it is made up of particle, and how we can prove? We proved it with the help of an activity, that when we dissolve salt in water, then the particles of salt get into the spaces between particles of water, and from this we can say that matter is made up of a small particles. The another one property, if we are talking about of matter, then how small are these particles, है ना बच्चे? So in this one, the first one thing we are talking about here, that is what we are going, that particles of matter are very small in size. This is the another one characteristic. Now the next one we can say, there is that the particles of matter that are continuously moving. ठीक है, वो क्या करते हैं? कॉन्टिन्यूसली मोशन में रहते हैं, वो कॉन्टिन्यूसली मूव करते रहते हैं, एंड फॉर दैट वी कैन prove this characteristic of particles with the help of incense stick, that if we put unlit an incense stick in a corner of a room, and if we light it, then after some time you will see that the particles of the incense stick that move or mixed in air, and we can smell the incense stick from very far away also. Okay, beta? So this is the another one we can say characteristic of particles. Then there are the another one characteristics we can say, that is there, that particles of matter that have space between them. ठीक है, क्या है? Particles of matter that is having a space in between them. So how we can prove that the particles of matter that have a space in between them? So it can be also done with the help of an activity, that for example, if we are talking about that if you have taken uh, two glasses or beakers filled with water, and then put a drop of blue or red ink, and then you carefully see that तो वो blue ink जो है वो water के अंदर क्या हो गई, mix हो गई, और volume of water जो है वो भी आपका क्या नहीं हुआ, increase नहीं हुआ. तो in that one case we can say कि if the volume of water will not increase, then from there we can say that particles of matter have a space in between them. The another one, if we are talking about the characteristic, so yes, the another one characteristic is that that particles of matter attract each other. ठीक है, तो matter के particles क्या करते हैं, that attract each other, and there is a, how we can say that, so just there is a game in the field. ये this one activity is given in your book. um, there that particles of matter attract each other, and just 1 minute, you can see it here, that if we play the game, that make up four groups of and form human chains as suggested, and the first group should hold each other from the back and lock arms like Idu Mishmi dancers. Then second group should hold hands to form a human chain. Third group should form a chain by touching with each other, and fourth group of students that should run around and try to break the three human chains one by one into as many small groups as possible. So कौन सा ग्रुप बेटा जल्दी टूट जाएगा, ऑब्वियसली द फोर्थ वन ग्रुप जिसमें कि कहीं पे भी कोई होल्डिंग नहीं है. ठीक है, तो that is going to be, then after that there are the three, we are talking about the three states of matter, that is solid state, your लिक्विड स्टेट एंड गैसियस स्टेट, है ना. तो इनकी हमने करेक्टरिस्टिक्स करी थी आपकी, सॉलिड स्टेट, लिक्विड स्टेट, एंड देयर इज अ गैसियस स्टेट. ठीक है बच्चे, सो इन दिस वन ऑल्सो वी कैन सी हियर देयर इज characteristics of all these three states, as you can see here, that these are the gaseous state, हमने इनकी characteristic करी, and then after that we come about to the, yes, I'm not talking about these in text questions because we have already done this one topic. Then after that there we have discussed about the, can matter change its state. So yes, we have also discussed about this in our previous classes, that the matter can change its state. It can change from solid to liquid, liquid to gaseous, or gaseous to solid. And there are the few new terms is to be introduced in this one, like evaporation tha, condensation, vaporization, boiling is also there. But before that there is a very very important term comes in this one, and that is latent हीट. ठीक है, तो हमारा एक और क्या इसके अंदर आता है, दैट इज लेटेंट हीट. तो दैट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इन डिटेल नाउ, right now, that what is a latent heat. As you can see here beta, just 1 minute. एक मिनट रुके बच्चे. Yes, there it is. Latent heat बेटा basically होता क्या है, that latent heat is the amount of energy which is required to convert, या हम simple कहते हैं तो latent heat is the hidden energy which is required to change the state of matter without raising its temperature. दोबारा बोलती हूँ, latent heat is the amount of energy, amount of heat energy which is required to change the state of matter without raising, without increasing its temperature या without changing its temperature भी कह सकते हैं, which is further of two type. One is latent heat of fusion, another one is latent heat of vaporization. So this one is the new topic one. Before this, whatever the topics we have discussed, that we have already done. I just to recapitulate those topics. So मैं इसलिए काफ़ी स्पीड में किया है कि सबसे पहले हमने पढ़ा कि मैटर क्या होता है. तो मैटर इज एनीथिंग विच ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस एंड हैज मास. देन मैटर की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या क्या हैं. तो मैटर की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स जो हैं आपका क्या क्या है. That is matter characteristic, that it is a matter जो है that can that particles are very small in size. Matter consists of particles. Second one है and matter में particles are continuously moving या in motion. Particles of matter attract each other. So all these are the characteristics. Then we can further classify matter into three types generally, that is solid, liquid and gaseous. Then after that there is the characteristics of these three types of matter. That characteristics may intermolecular force of attraction in between solid, liquid and gas, intermolecular distance in between solid, liquid and gas. Then there is density, कि सॉलिड की डेंसिटी ज़्यादा है, गैस की कम है, लिक्विड की मीडियम है. देन देयर इज आफ्टर दैट डेंसिटी के बाद अगर हम बात करते हैं तो डिफ्यूजन. सो डिफ्यूजन इज ऑब्जर्व्ड मैक्सिमम इन केस ऑफ gases, whereas least or lowest in terms of your we can say what that is in lowest in solid case. Then there is a compressibility term comes. So compressibility is again very very high in case of gases, whereas compressibility is not occur, we can say, or exist in solid state as well as in liquid state also. But अगर हम बात करते हैं solid और liquid की compressibility comparison की, so yes, we can say that liquids are negligible compressible. ठीक है. So that is, and I have just given you an idea about the लेटेंट हीट ऑल्सो, कि लेटेंट हीट वो हिडन एनर्जी है जो कि आपकी किसी स्टेट ऑफ मैटर को, जैसा मैंने कहा कि मैटर स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर कैन इंटरचेंज, दैट कैन बी चेंज फ्रॉम सॉलिड टू लिक्विड, लिक्विड टू गैस और गैस टू सॉलिड. तो अगर वो इंटरचेंज हो जाती हैं तो उस हीट एनर्जी को जो कि हिडन रहती है और बिना टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज या डिक्रीज किए हुए, बिना टेम्परेचर को चेंज किए हुए आपका क्या कर देती है, किसी स्टेट को मैटर की कन्वर्ट कर देती है दूसरी स्टेट में. तो दैट एनर्जी इज नोन एज लेटेंट हीट, जिसे कि हम फर्दर दो टाइप्स में डिवाइड करेंगे. दैट इज लेटेंट हीट ऑफ फ्यूजन and latent heat of vaporization, which we are going to do in our next class. ठीक है बेटा. सो टिल दैट टाइम आज आप लोगों को ये पूरा टॉपिक रिवाइज करना है और जो मैं लेटेंट हीट पर आपका जो मैं आपका टॉपिक दूंगी वो करना है. ठीक है बेटा.